So what are we offering at 20 Whistler Street, Culburra Beach? We're not only offering an 1,100 square metre block, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, single lock-up garage, we're offering those 2 real estate words that every agent loves to hear. Absolute waterfront. Have a look at that. Generous sized living spaces are featured through this fantastic home. Low maintenance, fantastic location, close to the schools, close to the shops, the Woolworths out here at Culburra Beach, and not very far from the beach. This home will sell and will absolutely impress. This home will surely sell and is a must for your inspection for those people looking for a sea change.